Hey grade 3, very good morning. In today's class we discussed two exercises. One is activity 3C in companion page 17 and 18, and the other one is answer the following in page number 76 in your social studies studio volume 1. Let me explain you what we discussed in companion activity 3C, which is in your page number 17 and 18. You are supposed to mention the various changes in school, neighborhood and transportation. So you have given some certain time periods 3 years ago, which means 3 years before. Like in 2017, what was the change that happened in your school? You may be at your kindergarten, now you are in primary. So that may be the change in the school. And neighborhood, what are all the changes that you felt 3 years before, and you have to mention it in the space provided. And transportation, so what vehicle you had 3 years before and what vehicle you are having at present. So definitely there will be some changes. And at the last they have mentioned 5 years later. So this means you are going to forecast the future. So what will be the change after 5 years in your school? What will be the change after 5 years in your neighborhood, and what will be the change after 5 years in your transportation? So this is what you are going to do in question number 1. So moving on to the second question, you are going to mention the reason why do these changes occur. So it may be the changes may be naturalistic, or it may be some reason. You may have some reason, right? So you have to mention the reason why it occurs. So you have two subdivisions. First subdivision is why, and second subdivision is you have to mention whether it is a good change or a bad change. So for some people it may be good, for some people it may be a bad change. So you have to mention and you have to mark why, what type of change it is. So moving back to the third subdivision, which is in your page number 18, how do people deal with this? So how people could have deal with these changes? Like if you take as an example, 3 years before I was in Delhi, so at present I am in school. So I have adapted to the present environment. So each and every people, the reason may be varied. So you have to mention the reason and you have to state the answer. How did people deal with these changes? So moving back to the question number 3, you have to draw a future vehicle along with the features and its uses. You are supposed to draw a future vehicle in the space provided. And in the bottom, you are supposed to write the salient features, what kind of features does it have, and you are going to mention the uses as well. So I forgot to tell you something. September 15th is World Engineers Day, and happy Engineers Day to all the parents whose profession and who did their engineering. So once again I am conveying my wishes to all the engineers. And I am little excited to see all your favorite vehicles here. I think few more future engineers are also in grade 3. Let me check it out. Then moving on to the third Roman letter, which is answer the following in page number 76, which is in your social studies studio volume 1. So you have to write the question and answers in your social CW notebook. So for question number 1 example of a change happened in a neighborhood and how you deal with. So this is a question for me, like I have shared my answers. One of my neighborhood friend moved to a new area. So he has changed his locality from an old residence, so he or she might have shifted to a new residence. So how I have deal with these changes? So the deal I have mentioned, I can contact him through the phone. So I can contact my friend through the phone. So how you can deal the changes and what are all the changes that happen in your neighborhood? So you have to mention in here in question number 1. And question number 2 changes that might occur when you move to the next grade. So many changes will be happening, like new classrooms will be there, you will get new friends, the entire class strength will not be the same. Some might have gone and some would have come to our classes. The same class teachers, the same subject teachers will not be there. So you can mention any 2 changes here. And question number 3, possible changes that might occur when your family decided to get a new pet. So what are all the possible changes? that might occur when your family decided to get a new pet. Like it will be a new person to your family. The time spending for you with the pet will be more, and entire family will be spending a lot of time with your new pet. So what are all the changes and how you are adapted to get a pet? So this is what you have to mention it there. And question number 4, your favorite mode of transport and why? So my favorite mode of transport, as I said it before, of course it's air transport, and they have asked the reason why. So I have to mention why, right? Because I love to look out of the windows and see the breathtaking views below. So this, like, whenever we travel in train or aeroplane or bus, whatever may be the transport, we always prefer window seat, right? Like you, I used to prefer window seat in aeroplane also, in order to see out. Like I have to see the views that happen from the bottom. So this is what answers that I have shared. So these are the self-work activities for you today. So one is activity 3C in companion page 17 and 18, and the other one is Roman letter 3, answer the following, which you are supposed to write in your social CW notebook. So that's all for today's session. Complete your self-works and post it back in your WhatsApp group. Thank you and see you soon tomorrow.